Okay guys, it is Paige and I am here with a very, very special guest. This is Granny. And and in honor of Black History Month, we decided to try African food. This is both of our very, very first time trying African food. I got this African food from, I want to be sure to tell you guys the right place, BC African Restaurant. It's in Schaumburg, Illinois, and they have the best rating stars, so I decided that this was the best place for us to go ahead and try. Yes. So here we each have our own FuFu. We have goat pepper soup, Jollof rice and goat, egusi, assume, which is like goat with spices and peppers, and we each have a beef patty. So I think we're supposed to smack this first. Yeah, just give it a whooping like them grandkids used to get. And in honor of this month, you see Granny is in her African finest, honey. Okay? So yeah, let's open this. And I think we could eat this with the rice, but everything else we have to like eat with the FuFu. Oh, they wrapped this up good, didn't they?
Yes, they know what they're doing.
Move my pop out the way. You want to try the soup first?
Yeah.
Okay. So first we're going to try the goat pepper soup. Oh, looks interesting. Spicy?
Nice. Nice bite of spice.
Okay.
It seems like it's gonna be.
Ooh, hot dang!
But it go away quick.
It does.
Ooh,
Oh, that's good.
It's a cleansing thing. I'm sure it is.
I want to try it with the meat.
Mm-hmm.
It's tender.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice. And it's a nice clean soup.
This is something I would like to drink at night.
Yes.
Get it in my system. Sleep
Yes.
with it.
Yes, this is good.
That's good.
We're going to save this for later so we can split it. We're going to drink it like tea. Oh, that's really good.
It's really good.
Oh, man. And everybody was acting like it was just not good.
Really?
Yes, they were acting like it was just the worst thing that they ever had.
Maybe it was too spicy. See, it is salty, but not too salty.
Yes.
And then the spice kicks in. I like it.
Ooh, it was a nice little kick, but it went away fast.
Yeah.
It went away real quick. Okay, let me do a video of the food so that they can see from a different angle everything that we have. Okay, what should we try next?
Let's try the rice.
Okay.
It looks so inviting.
Doesn't it?
Are we supposed to eat that with this? Or this goes with this?
That goes with that.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can eat this with the spoon. It has potatoes and stuff in it. I think this is spicy too.
It's spicy too.
Yeah, it's definitely spicy. But it's really good. These peppers are good too. Spicier than the soup for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, this can make your nose run.
Okay. Coronavirus too. It's gonna knock it right out. It has good fatty pieces of the goat.
Granny just needs to cool it down a little bit.
Okay.
Still delicious.
Mm-hmm.
The rice was perfect.
Yeah.
Don't know how they cook it, but they cook it good.
Okay. It's like pepper steak.
Mm-hmm.
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 Mm-hmm. Look, I got it everywhere. Look, let me get it cool down too.
If we had had a water, we probably should have had a water with us.
You want me to get some water?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Spicy!
But you know what? We could cool it down when we get ready to eat it. Put a little honey in it and stir it up.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Because I like that meat.
Here you go. Oh, that
Okay.
cooled it right down.
Yeah.
Woo! That's if you like spicy food, that's
Try
perfect.
this one first.
Yes, this is the assume. Look, my mouth's still hot.
A little bit. My milk too, a little bit.
Woo! Okay. You want to try it with the FuFu?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I believe you're supposed to take it in your hand, kind of make it into like a ball, then press it down to make it like into a little spoon.
Oh.
So you can scoop it up.
Oh, I didn't know that. In this one?
Yep. It's different.
Yeah, it's different. I can't even like say what it is. But what about them big pieces of meat?
Yeah, let's break that down so we can get a piece of that.
That's good though. Smooth.
Oh, it's tender too. Yeah, because it kind of tastes like...
Look almost like roasted steak or something. Yeah, it do.
They know how to cook this meat.
And it's goat meat?
Mm-hmm. That meat is good.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm. The FuFu is definitely something I would have to get used to because it's a little thick. So I like it, but I just wouldn't use as much. Definitely reminds me of like mashed potatoes.
What do they use though?
For this, I'm pretty sure it's like, let's look it up real quick so we can know. Bailey, don't you start. So it's cassava. Grounded cassava. So Jamaicans, Cubans, Puerto Ricans, they all have, like in Puerto Rico, I know that they use this to make like mofongo.
I don't know what that is.
It's so good. I don't know either. But I know it's so good. I wonder what the thick portion in here is. Kind of like cornmeal-y or something.
Oxtails, this gristle tastes like it a little bit.
They said it's goat.
Oh,
the
goat.
thing said goat, yeah.
Goat meat.
That was more like a stew.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. This got my mouth so hot. Does some
Stinging. Man, don't cool down with the water though. Maybe you should sip the water with it because the carbonate might
it's
keep
making
it high.
that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Okay, so far, what's your favorite?
I got to try these first and then
see what's going on.
Right now, this is my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
But I like the soup too.
That soup is flavorful.
So good.
And it's so clear. It's like, how did they get the flavor in that little clear soup? I need to find a recipe. Okay, you ready to try some jollof rice? You can eat the plantains because I'm not a big fan of plantain in the first place.
I like plantains.
I think this might be a little spicy too.
Did you say what this was?
Yeah, jollof rice.
I like the plantain with mine. Add a little sweet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Well, they put
I know
these
it's a tomato base.
perfect.
Okay, I'll try one. Because I every time I eat them, I never really like them. I don't, maybe because they fried too hard. Those look like they soft.
They are.
Mm-hmm.
And they give you that little sweet like.
Oh, those plantains is good. And I don't even like plantains.
I love them. I love them.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
That is good. Okay, we're going to have to share these now. I was going to let you just have them. And I know this is like a tomato base rice.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I tasted a lot of tomato in it. Reminds me of Spanish rice.
Right?
Mm.
Oh, that plantain tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like Jamaican plantains.
Nope.
It's not at all.
Nope.
And that's what I was expecting.
It looks like they kind of steam them or simmer them in something.
Mm-hmm.
They probably put them in the oven.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because they too moist. You know, you could see they was fried, but they did something else to it to make it moist. And what, this is the goat meat too?
Yeah, this is goat. This one isn't as fall apart, but it's, ooh, it looks so good on the inside. It's a little bit drier, but it has a good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I need a little rice.
Whoever tried this and said that it was not good, they are tripping. Mm-hmm. They are tripping. This is neck to neck with Jamaican food to me.
Mm-hmm.
It really is. Mm-hmm. Look, we keep saying the same thing. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
This is really good.
Sydney might like this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, if she tried that, her butt would be on fire.
She wouldn't want to eat none of that food ever again.
Never again.
Mm.
Yeah, that rice is
Rice is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Just like the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Plantains are to die for.
Okay. And I literally do not like plantains. But those, it's like they did something different to them. Stewed, like cooked them in the oven for a long time. Because I think Jamaicans, they mostly just fry them.
Yeah, because the ones I had before were a little crispier,
Yeah.
you know. But I still like them. But these, I really like.
Yeah.
Or smothered them. They might have smothered them.
Mm-hmm.
Fried them, then put
Yeah.
some whatever flavors in there.
Okay,
Probably
whatever.
some olive oil or something, because it's really light.
Light, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If this wasn't an hour away, I would get this a lot.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
I'm going back into the spicy. I love anything with peppers though, too.
Yeah, you do.
Mm-hmm.
Sydney found when she was cleaning out the refrigerator one of your red peppers. Hadn't been in here long
Forever. I know she was mad cleaning out that refrigerator. She probably just threw everything away. I heard her say, "Why is there so many onions in?" Then I thought about it, like, dang, I buy onions every single time I go to the store. Yeah, that's spicy.
It's good though.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be having one of them gummies.
And wouldn't even care.
Pour a little something on it and eat it.
Put a little honey or something.
Mm-hmm. These plantains, I ain't gonna eat them all.
So good.
I'm gonna save them. Sydney might like these too.
Mm-hmm. I think this whole thing she might enjoy.
Mm-hmm.
She might be a little scared of the goosey. Just because it looks different.
Mm-hmm.
But it tastes good to me.
Yeah, but she might like the meat. That's what I'm saying. Maybe if she
Because
tried
that one
the
isn't
meat.
spicy either.
Mm-mm. Nope, this is not spicy.
Mm-mm. I don't even have words. It's so good.
Yeah, that gravy go good.
Yes.
With a little meat and
I
that.
wonder what that is that's in there to thicken it up.
I don't know, probably their own way they cook that they cook it. Got a lot of spices and stuff in it.
So I think it's a little bit of, I don't know.
These big pieces at the bottom, whatever part of the goat it is, they put all of it in there
Yeah.
when they cook it.
What's that more gristle part?
Mm-hmm, taste it. That's what I had when I told you I had the gristle, and it's reminding me of the oxtails.
Yeah, duh.
The texture.
Mm-hmm. It reminds me of stuffing a little bit. When people make like dressing.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
So it's some cornmeal must be
Something.
in here.
It has to be something.
Yeah, to thicken it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm eating it wrong. I'm supposed to pull my stuff because I like it too. With that. I like how it tastes with that.
And the guy said, he said, "You're gonna love it." And I do. I love this. I gotta call him back and tell him.
The African guy said it?
Mm-hmm. He said, "You are gonna love it." He knew it was my first time. I'm trying to pronounce everything. You know, try not to butcher it too much. I don't want him to think this girl is crazy. Making my stuff sound crazy. Mm-mm. Oh, let's try this meat pie. Now this looks like they did the fresh bread and everything. Look at this, y'all. Just gonna put it up closer so that they can see. Yes. Look how fresh that bread looks.
Yes. Yes.
I feel like I'm gonna like this bread a lot. Oh, that smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah, it's good.
This bread is really good.
Looks like it's some kind of homemade bread.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's flaky. Well, it'll be open and I guess they fold it over. Stuff it.
Potato in here.
Mm-hmm. And some kind of meat, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like that's ground beef or
Look,
something.
hopefully it's not pork because I'm eating it. But no, it's beef. It's a beef patty. It's so funny to me how this reminds me of Jamaican food a little bit.
Because it's kind of spicy like it. Like they have it. You know, and they eat a lot of the same things. You know, goat, because that's plentiful where they're from. Plantains is everywhere.
Mm-hmm. This bread is crazy. It reminds me of a Jamaican patty.
I never had a Jamaican patty.
Really? We gotta do Jamaican food next. Cause this reminds me, this is like their curry goat, but it's different because they're using peppers and spices and stuff.
They use their own special spices too, because I'm looking at it. You know, you could tell it's a, you know, certain kind of coating and stuff on it. Because I thought with the red, that might be the tomato blend you were talking about. I thought it would have been hot, but it's probably the tomato that they poured on it.
This crust is amazing.
Yeah, that's good. Cindy might like this.
I think so too.
This is beef. You know it's beef. It's not greasy at all. And it's filling.
Right?
Oh, here's that's Sydney.
You know Bailey is the video interrupter. Look at her. She's so irritated.
You know you be letting me out to see.
Right. Can't believe this. I knew I was gonna enjoy it though. I knew I was.
Yep.
Look, we kind of full, ain't we?
But this is my favorite.
Okay, that's number one for you.
Number one. And then I move around to here.
Egusi.
I'll be sipping on my soup while I'm having it.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Right?
And I just tone the hot sauce down a little bit on this one. Maybe have it on the side as opposed to over my rice. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, where I could do what I needed to do with it and then put it over my rice. And these are perfect. That's like a perfect meal right here.
Okay, that's a meal right there.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's a meal. And it got some spices in there now.
Yeah, it does.
But the potato I taste a lot. I taste a lot. And the thing or not.
I wonder too, they probably do have a whole little meat grinder. Yes. Okay, so my favorite. This is my number one. This soup is number two. It is this goat pepper soup. This, you have to try this. Egusi, number three. Patties, number four. And then I love this, but it's just very, very spicy. But it's good. But it's
and
very,
some people
very,
like it like that.
Babe, come try this real quick. Come on. Just one thing. Try the rice, not spicy.
I got on my African garb.
Oh, God. Oh, Gigi.
Say hey to everybody.
Hey, guys. Gigi and
Put a
her,
little meat on it. So
Gigi and her African clothes.
Yep.
Had to scoot on over, guys. Make room for me.
The picky
One straight.
eater.
Yeah, this is the picky eater. But I think that we both said that you would like this one.
Yep, we said you like.
Right?
Okay.
Do you like plantains?
Bang.
Okay,
And
so
I,
these
you know,
are the
I don't
most
like
moist.
plantains.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
I like plantain.
I don't know how they cook it, but they so good.
That's it.
Yeah.
Right? Nice and sweet.
Yeah, and moist.
They got a different type of texture too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, one more thing. Then I'm not going to force you to do too much.
Right, I'm done.
No, you're not.
Just try that with the ground beef in it and potatoes. Ground beef and potatoes are in it.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't bad, is it? Now tell the truth.
Y'all heard that?
What?
It wasn't me. I didn't even put you out there, shorty. But it's decent. It kind of tastes like,
It remind you of something?
it's gonna sound weird, but a beef pot pie.
That bread is good,
You
isn't
ever
it?
had like a beef chicken? I mean, a beef
Beef
pot pie?
yeah,
like the
little
calendars.
ones, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like that when you get a lot of the bread and a little
Yeah.
bit of meat.
Yeah.
A little
Yeah.
bit dry for me.
Just a little bit.
So
Just
try
a
to
little
get it
bit
out.
because it's the potatoes and the bread.
Want some more rice?
No, thank you.
We didn't let her try none of that one.
Okay, one more thing.
Dab it, let her get her own stuff to put it on.
Y'all, I ain't even barely came through the door. I was trying to sneak up the stairs. I was basically doing the challenge, you know, the slow motion, like.
Okay, grab a little bit of this.
Grab some.
Just a little tiny bit. Grab this little piece I had.
The texture looks real yeasty.
It's not
No,
yeasty.
it's not.
It's like more mashed potato-y.
I have a sensitive stomach, guys.
Dip a little bit of the gravy
They want
in
to dip
her.
it in gravy and stuff.
Yeah. I think you're gonna like it.
I think that's
Y'all
good.
got my baby
Yeah.
locked up. Every time she records, she locked my baby up for y'all.
You're gonna like the meat. I know you are. You like that meat, don't you? There you go.
Yeah, it smells funny though, guys, but to me, and I'm not trying to offend anyone's, you know, food
She's the
choice,
pickiest
but
eater you will ever meet. Okay? The pickiest.
trust me, the seasoning flavors are really good.
Doesn't it remind me of you a dressing a little bit?
No,
No?
not
Just
even in the slightest. I love my mama dressing. I'm sure y'all love this like dressing. But it don't taste like my mama dressing.
Because there's no goat in it. I mean, duck in it. That's goat.
You like the goat meat, don't you?
Oh no, ma.
She's retarded.
I liked every bite until that one.
So that's your least favorite.
And it's leaving like a weird nasal like smell aftertaste to me that I'm
They
not
seasonings,
fond of.
they use different seasonings.
Yeah.
Look at
Okay,
you
baby.
and my baby whining.
hmm So which one you like the best?
The first bite.
The rice, right? That's my favorite too.
Let her taste the soup.
No thanks. I'm
Just
good.
take a soup of the spoon.
Thank you for letting me cameo. You know I let a cameo up.
This
and
is
take
my
the day out.
favorite.
That's
This
one
my
of our
favorite.
favorites.
Now you gotta
That's
taste
fine.
I'm
it.
not even hungry. I don't want no more. This
Just
you
taste
gonna make me
it.
act
Look.
up on camera.
Come on, this little bit. Look,
Y'all,
it's
they
clear.
do this to me with everything in the house. They make me
Come
try
on.
all type of stuff.
It's soup,
I'm not
girl.
even
This
hungry.
is
It
good
don't
for
matter.
you. I was
This is
saying
good.
just
This
do
is my
that.
favorite.
It go away.
It went
though.
away,
The
though,
spice
didn't it?
go away.
It's some heat on that.
Yeah,
I don't
it's
like
heat.
spice. Why would you? My throat burns.
It tastes
it's
good,
not,
didn't
it's
it?
not hot like
Yes,
I
that.
can't taste it because my mouth still burns.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It is
It's hotter
not.
than buffalo hot, and I don't like hotter than buffalo hot.
That's not.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, no, it's not.
Anytime you drink ginger ale and it sizzle on your tongue like that because it's hot.
That's why you got lipstick on top of your lip.
Alright, we forgot to get crickets for
No, you forgot.
Tommy. I didn't forget. You didn't even tell me. Alright, I'm about to go.
That cleanses the palate afterwards,
What
too.
time do PetSmart close?
They close, babe.
Wake me up early so I can feed my lizard. That's what's up. Eating day. My lip is hot.
Your lip, babe, that go away so quick. Now, if you tried this, you would be done for. When I say that's the hottest pepper steak I ever had.
Bailey, you want to try something?
This one was go-to, right? Yeah.
Bailey is not happy. Well, thank you guys again. Off to my garage. I don't have a she shed yet, but I have a garage.
This would be real good.
Can you bring me a paper towel? This fell over.
Oh,
sip on it.
No, it was me earlier. Right? That is a great cleanser. Yeah, I like this, man.
Healthy.
Yes. And I spilled so much of it, too.
Ma, you want another ginger ale since I took yours?
No, we need water with this.
I got my water. My water right here.
Yeah. Okay, so it's this, the jollof rice, and then the soup. The egusi.
I knew I was gonna like the Jollof rice. That's
right?
good. That's
Isn't that
good.
one good? Yeah.
Cause he
But
said,
they do this one with fish,
yeah, he said
chicken, beef, or goat.
it sounded like he thought the beef was the best because he was like, when she asked which one he recommended.
Well, that's the beef.
Wait, is this?
When you asked which one he recommended, when you asked which one he recommended, he said you already had beef something else, so get goat.
Oh.
But the Jollof rice, I think you got goat. Cause then that was like after you ordered the beef stuff.
So did I get goat everything?
No, this must be beef.
Yeah,
that must be the beef.
Yeah.
Something else is beef. Like
Yeah.
one of the first things that you ordered that, yeah, it came with a
And I
side of
think
white
this-
rice.
yeah.
He asked if
Yeah.
you wanted a meal or
And
an
this
appetizer.
this is the goat.
Yeah, let's go for
Like
sure.
stewed
What's
goat.
this called?
Assume.
That's
It's
the beef
ASUN.
right there.
Yeah.
Man, that one's so spicy. It's like doing a spicy
We're gonna put a
gum
little
pepper.
honey on it.
You want some honey?
No, we just was trying it, but
We
I
full.
said we full. Oh my God, I'm glad I didn't eat.
Okay, look, and I
okay.
ate.
I'm glad I did.
Earlier.
I was thinking about that. I said, pay some 6 string beans in the pot roast, and we having African food.
Okay.
We live large, baby.
Okay.
We live
I'm living a good life over
You
here.
let me eating good. Everybody eat good. Bailey, what you got over there?
Nothing.
Yes, she do.
Peanut butter?
Something in her bowl.
She's so mad.
You want to come with mommy? Come on.
You know, she's ready.
Okay.
They don't care nothing about what you doing.
Okay. She sure don't care about me until she wants something to eat or she's sleepy. Then she won't be bothered with me.
Oh, is this beef? It look like steak or beef or something. I'm looking at the meat.
Right?
It's kind of different than this one.
But it's like goat pepper.
I like that.
Me too. It's like all of the goats taste different.
Maybe it's the sauce that they're using how they cook it.
So it don't all taste the same. Oh yeah. Somebody tried this and said it was spicy. This ain't spicy at all.
But, you know, it might be to their palate.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, this was good. If you have not tried African food, you need to try it. Right?
You won't be disappointed.
At all. As long as you go to a really good place. Because the same way with any other cuisine, you can go to a place that doesn't have that good of food. Then you can go to a 5-star restaurant like we did. If you're in the Chicago, Schaumburg, Rockford, whatever area you're in, I would drive all the way to BC just to go get this. It's
Or
worth it.
if you're at Bluefield Mall and want to taste something special, it's not far from there on Roselle.
Yep. Yep. All right,
Perfect.
guys. It looks like we're full.
We're full.
Okay. We're finished. We got pot roast, string beans, and African food. We got food to last us the next 2 days.
Or longer.
Okay. Granny will stretch it out. Okay, I'm probably gonna be done by tomorrow, but I think this will last a nice long time. And they gave us some nice carriers to put everything in. We could just put it right back in. Alright guys, so I am going to close out this video. Drop a like, a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop below what other videos you want to see me and Granny do. If you want to see us do some challenges, if you want to see us try any other type of food, drop it below and I'll be sure to make it happen. Anything to say, Granny?
This was my first. And I'll be doing it again.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
Happy Black History Month.
Happy Black History Month.
Yeah, this was good.